This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To enable or disable dark mode, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go to the Settings app. I'm going to tap on that. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see Display and Brightness, and tap on Display and Brightness. And then right up top here you have the, as you can see, I am currently in light mode, but you could toggle on dark mode. Or you could go down to where it says automatic, toggle on automatic, and then at nighttime it will go to dark mode, and in the daytime it will go to light mode. You can see down below there's an options for the automatic. If you tap on that, sunset to sunrise or a custom schedule. But the main feature for dark mode is right up top here. You could toggle on dark or you could toggle on light. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.